Well, the door's been open about 5 minutes and there's a big line outside, so it looks like the turnout will be good.
Let me get a few pictures of this.
Start at table 1, take a look around.
25 years. I'm hoping to get out maybe next break. Yes, sir. Green is prepared. Yellow's green. It'll be down there. This guy walks into the gun, he wants to turn again.
Yeah, send him right here. Send everything.
Powering, but if you look through there, you'll see it's got an integrated level bubble in it. See the little bubble? Roll the scope from side to side, you see the little bubble. You basically got a level bubble already built into the scope, which is really nice.
We need to find someone with an Allen wrench.
Oh, an Allen wrench?
Yeah, that fits
I got
this.
a box of tools over here,
I
so
thought it was supposed to be in here, but I don't see it.
maybe it's in that little bag.
You need some Allen wrenches?
We have tools, but
Give him my email.
No, it's not very big. Open the bag.
yeah, we got it. Thank you.
Into friends that and give me stuff like that. That's stuff like that means more to me than
I'm
saying, because I'm not a money hungry guy. I do this because I love it, and it creates relationships and friendships and puts smiles on people's faces.
Wow, the line is still out the door waiting to get in.
I don't have any continuity, but this is...
I don't know. I haven't fired one. I know it's going to be used with velocity. I'm shooting about 950 to 6.
Kind of an idea. I noticed the Benjamins on that thing. Something like that would be worth it.
Is it holding or is it?
What's that?
Does it hold there? Or
Yes, it does. Oh, very much so. Yeah. I sent it back to. I don't want to get bit with that with anybody. But I tell you this: you walk around and
No, sir. On the other hand, it's nice to be able to shoot in front. Yes. We're using 77 or like yeah, that's one of the, you're correct. I don't even think I've seen too many of them on there. That may actually be
also there's an adjustable front sight.
that may be a Daisy import. But even Daisy marked them. What are you making now?
Video.
No, metal stuff.
Nothing. I'm a photographer now.
Because you're going to need it for that kid. That kid's going to need shoes one day. I know he's barefoot right now, but he's going to need shoes.
Oh, I shoot it in I mean, after I get out of
You're not going to have time. You have a little tiny baby there. It's over.
Dude.
Go out your truck, get the gun, and we'll buy it off you. You need that money.
The hand-forged railroad spike.
Yeah, that's
If you look at the head of it, it says HC for high carbon.
Oh, yeah.
So actually it can be, you know, heat treated, and it is.
It's nice. I saw your
Now here's some nice guns for sale.
I don't want there's some more.
Good talking with you. If anybody needs a Mach 1 version Venom Viper, Air Arms Pro Sport, or a Solo.
Venom Tomahawk, that's really a nice song.
Pre-charged
That's the magic of you do the lathe and I do the file.
I did this so long ago, I can't remember how. I remember how I did these. When I had to thread this end, I actually put it in a can of fixturing nuts, both using metal, so I could line this up on the mill. Then I put this in the lathe and was able to turn and face this off and thread it. So this thing was spinning on this axis, and you can see there's a gouge. I broke my compound on my lathe because bronze grabs. So that cost me.
These are 60 edition, limited. These never been fired. For what?
So, if you're in the Airgun repair class, send right over here at this door where it says that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Find something, come back.
All right.
Let's go, Ron.
Pickpocket.
That's a little less spinach than normal.
Well, I've got too many at home. I got to find me a cord or something.
This is what you want to use.
PSI and about 80 shots.
Is this a repeater? Did you lift this? No, I didn't. Oh man, get ready. TX200 to with that water.
This is the new Cometa Lynx PCP, and despite rumors out there, it's actually going to be here the first week of April. It's Cometa's first PCP airgun. There's some key features on here, most having to do with modifications so that it will be specific to the shooters. For example, the bottles can be changed out, interchangeable bottles for different sizes, okay? And basically what you're seeing is the US model, okay, of the Cometa PCP. Bottles are changeable, barrels are changeable, very easy to do by removing the bolt on here and the block. Barrels, as with all the other air guns, are hammer forged. It's got a full length shroud, it's very quiet, fully regulated. Anyway, match grade trigger on there, it's just mere ounces to break that seal.
How many cc is the bottle?
Say that again?
How many cc is the bottle?
This one is, I'm forgetting. I'm forgetting.
Okay, looks pretty big.
There are multiple bottles. I don't remember what size I've got on here. But you should get about 70 to 80 shots at full power. This one's set up for a single shot. You cock the hammer, place your single shot on here, and off it flies.
And what's the
US
price?
model will have a magazine.
What's the price range?
Price range is going to be approximately $675 retail. Magazine also, 17, 22, 25.
Wow, good deal.
Beech wood stock, but it'll have walnut as well, as you can see on those guys. What some of the walnut is. You've got some nice figuring on the standard production rifles on those.
Well, thank you.